Have you ever wondered how chocolate syrup stays so smooth, glossy, and perfect every time you pour it? The answer begins far away from your kitchen, inside massive food factories. Everything starts with raw cocoa beans arriving at the factory in huge shipments. The beans are slowly roasted to develop the rich chocolate flavor we all love. Miss this step, and chocolate loses its signature flavor. Next, powerful machines crack the beans open to reveal the valuable cocoa nibs inside. Air blowers remove the shells, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs packed with flavor. Those nibs are ground into a thick, dark paste known as cocoa liquor. Massive refiners crush the cocoa even further, creating an incredibly smooth texture. This is what makes syrup feel silky instead of gritty. Now sugar, water, milk ingredients, and flavorings are blended into the mixture. Special emulsifiers help everything stay perfectly mixed and silky smooth. Here's the secret most people never hear about. The syrup is then filtered to remove even the smallest remaining particles. High-pressure homogenizers make the texture even more uniform and glossy. The syrup is forced through tiny openings under extreme pressure. Technicians carefully test the viscosity to ensure the perfect pouring consistency. Quality control teams inspect every batch for taste, texture, and appearance. Once approved, automated machines fill thousands of bottles every hour. Watch how factories fill thousands of bottles every single hour. The bottles are sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution around the world. What started as bitter cocoa beans is now finished chocolate syrup ready for stores. So the next time you pour chocolate syrup, remember the incredible factory process behind every drop. And that's how bitter beans become the chocolate syrup in your kitchen.